Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will be discussing about the concept of what is modulation and the introduction of modulation. Modulation is nothing but the information which is being transmitted. It will be in the discrete format, in the minute format. It will be represented in the signal format. Okay, signals you all know. It will be a positive and a negative signal. Positive is nothing but which is said to be moving the amplitude to the upper side. Then it is said to be a amplitude with a higher end with a signal. Okay, when it is said to be coming to the lower end, it will be a low pass signal. So whenever the information is being transmitted, I have to know how much information is transmitted, what is the frequency of the information is being transmitted, and how it is being converted from the digital data, digital signal into a digital data, how it is being transferred and how it is being changed. That is the importance which is being given when the information is being transferred over the line. So that is the thing which you will be learning. What is modulation? It's nothing but when the information which is there, whichever information which you are said to be having, that it will be put on to the carrier signal, that is said to be modulation. When it is being transferred, the information, it has to be carried over the signal, it should be rectified, it should be detected what type of data is there, if any error is there, it has to be finded out and it has to be transferred to the other end. That it is being called as the modulation, modulating the signal into the certain format. That is said to be modulation. Okay, reliable detectable change in the signal characteristics, which is nothing but the carriage of the information is the most important thing which is said to be there when the information is sent. Okay, so mainly remember what is modulation. Modulation is nothing but your data is there, that data, it is said to be transferred over the line. When it is transferred over the line, it will be passed in the format of signals. That is said to be your modulation. The modulation system, it will be consisting of mainly a source. Okay, it will be consisting of a source, the source encoder, it encodes the data, and the channel encoder, it channel rectifies the information and it modulates the data, converting the signal into certain format. Either maybe like from whichever data is there, data to signal, signal to data, that it has to be done, that it will be done, and in between the channel it will be passing to the other end where it is said to be demodulated. The signal, once again, whatever you get, it has to be transferred into digital data, that it will be done, and in between the decoders are there, it will transfer the data into certain format which is being sent. The same way it will be received, so that it will be done in between by the decoders and the encoders. Okay, so the digital system, it consists of the coherent and non-coherent part. Coherent is nothing but the process which is said to be sending the signals which are said to be local, have the same frequency and the phase. Same frequency and phase is nothing but, okay, I will be sending like this, it has same frequency and same carrier signal, same phase, no change in the wave format. That is said to be the coherent. Non-coherent is nothing but there is no requirement of the reference wave. You are not said to be referring to the wave, automatically it gets the data and it transfers the data in the non-coherent part. Okay, and in the digital modulation technique, you have three types. You can check out it as the amplitude shift keying, phase shift keying, and the frequency shift keying. These three are there. So what is amplitude shift keying is nothing but the bit is being transferred here. Whatever the information is there, that information which is being transferred, it has to be starting with the 0th part. You start here and the signal, it moves in certain phase. Okay, here it is there, here passes, same way the other amplitudes it will be following, but without any breakage, without any problem, the frequency, the content, it will be the same till the end. Okay, it doesn't happen anything. That is said to be your amplitude shift keying. Whatever amplitude is now is there, it will be moving to the same part in the amplitude part. Okay, another part is there called as the phase shift keying. Phase shift keying is nothing but the in which the degree changes. Okay, the degree of the signal changes. Okay, sometimes it may pass the whole, in between it may change, and once again it may drop back and come down, once again it may cope up and come down, like that it may happen. That is said to be the phase shift keying. You can check out in the diagram what happens. This is your phase shifting. Okay, it will not come down, it will be moving then and there only. That is said to be your phase shifting in between. Okay, The sinusoidal degree changes in between, that is said to be a phase shift keying, and the frequency shift keying is nothing but here. Okay, when I am said to be passing the signal, okay, it will be in this format. When it is said to be, I want the data when the network is said to be faster, then it may resemble the signal to move in double way. Okay, frequency modulation and demodulation happens. Demodulation means what? It has said to be having double the waveforms, that it happens in the frequency shift keying. You can see here the signals are said to be doubled in between, that is said to be your frequency shift keying. It will be shifting the frequency from one end to another end in a particular fraction of seconds only, that is said to be your frequency shift keying. Okay, the advantages of your all these three modulation techniques is nothing but it is easy to detect and correct the noise which is there on the signal, and more security is said to be provided to the digital modulation technique, and it is said to be traveling for a longer distance it can travel. So when security is there, automatically it travels to a longer distance, and when it is said to be having the errors, it is able to detect and correct then and there only. That is the most important thing in the network. Okay, so this is the advantage of the modulation. So modulation, remember, you are said to be having a signal, that signal converted to data, or data to digital signal, that is said to be modulation and demodulation. And other things, there are three types: FSK, ASK and PSK. All these types of modulation are there. Remember, it's a question of 5 marks, so you have to answer it properly. And you have the advantages. Advantages are nothing but you should be, it can detect and correct the noise easily. It is said to be having a security which is being provided for the modulation, and plus it can travel for longer distance. That is the most important thing in the network when the information is being traveled from one end to other end. Okay, thank you.